Introducing the Dceyaor 50 Set Clear Plastic Mini Cake Box, Round Cupcake Holders Plastic Egg Yolk Puff Container Mooncake Dome Boxes Baking Packing Box. This product is perfect for anyone in need of a sleek and practical container for their small cakes, cupcakes, cheese, pastries, desserts, breads, biscuits, and other small foods. Made of high-quality PET material, these mini cake boxes are durable and reliable. However, please note that they are not suitable for high temperatures. The package includes 50 sets of lids and domes, ensuring that you have more than enough for your baking needs. The simple and elegant design of these cake boxes is truly eye-catching. With a gold bottom and a transparent lid, the beauty of the delicious cake inside is clearly visible. This makes them a fantastic choice for presenting your delightful creations or even as a gift. One of the standout features of these mini cake boxes is their easy portability and storage. The cupcake stand fits tightly with the slot on the edge of the lid, providing a secure seal. This not only keeps your treats fresh but also makes the boxes waterproof. Moreover, they are reusable and durable, making them an excellent long-term investment. Please be aware that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter if used internationally. It is always recommended to check compatibility before making a purchase. In terms of customer satisfaction, the Dceyaor 50 Set Clear Plastic Mini Cake Box has received positive reviews. With a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, it is evident that customers appreciate the quality and functionality of this product. It ranks highly in the kitchen and dining category, currently sitting at number 39,905 and number 67 in cupcake carriers on the best sellers list. If you're in need of a reliable and visually appealing container for your small baked goods, look no further than the Dceyaor 50 Set Clear Plastic Mini Cake Box. Its high-quality construction, simple design, and portability make it the ideal choice for all your baking needs. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Purchase yours today. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found the information about the Dceyaor 50 Set Clear Plastic Mini Cake Box helpful. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please click on the link in the description. Happy baking!